If you have a small business but you're struggling to come up with ideas to market it on social media, well, fear not, because today I'm bringing you 10 quick social media ideas to promote your small business on socials. Hey guys, what's up? My name is Matilda. Welcome back to the Picsart channel, and if you've been a subscriber of ours or if you've ever watched any of our videos, then you have probably seen us talk so much about the power of using social media to market your small business. At this point, I think we've probably given you hundreds of ideas, but just in case that this is the first video you're watching of ours or you've exhausted all our other ideas, today I thought that I would break down 10 ideas that are really quick and easy that you can do right now to market your small business on socials. So without further ado, let's get onto it. Okay, the first idea is super easy to do because it doesn't require you to do anything other than what you're already doing, and this is to use behind the scenes content. People love to see what's going on behind small businesses, and people love to see the story behind small businesses. So if you have a small ceramic business, just filming the process of how you make your product. If you're in an office, just filming some little office content, little day in the life videos. In a similar fashion, on to number 2. These are before and afters. People love to see transformations. So again, just showing the process of your product. But for example, let's say you have a service where you edit pictures. Just showing the before and the after you've edited them. It's so much better to showing your audience how good your work is, as opposed to just posting the final result of the picture. This shows the progress, this shows the things that you've adjusted, and it's going to attract clients that are looking for a similar result. Moving on to number 3, and this is personally a favorite of mine. I've done so many of these over on our TikTok page, so you can go and follow us to check out examples. But I'm a huge fan of creating a series where you show the whole process of creating a business. Not only a series really good to growing your pages, whether it's on TikTok or Instagram or any other social media page, because if people are interested in one video and they see that it's a series, they're more likely to follow so that they see other videos. In these videos you can include, for example, episode 1, creating a logo, episode 2, making a website, and people are getting invested and watching your business grow even before you've advertised your products. Number 4 is presenting an issue and a solution. This one is super easy. You just start off with the issue. So for example, if you have a sweater company, you can start by saying, are you ever trying to look for sweaters and you find that they're all really low quality or really expensive? That's the problem. And then you cut to your solution, aka your product. This is a great use of hook because if people are watching you say the problem, they probably relate to it. So when you propose them with a solution, they're going to be interested and they're going to look at your product. Alternatively, it's also great if you stitch a different creator. This way you're increasing engagement. So if you come across a video on your For You page, on your Explore page of somebody saying they have an issue and you actually have a product or a service that directly solves that issue, you can just go ahead and stitch them, duet them with you advertising your product. Number 5 is just telling a brief story of your company. People love to know the stories behind companies, at least I do, because I'm nosy, and I think it's really cute, and it's often got me to check out people's products and services when they make a simple video being like, hey, my name is Matilda, and a few years ago I had a dream to start this company. And I love watching people being passionate about things that they love, so I automatically am always hooked on this. And this is a super simple video because all you really have to do is tell people why you have your business, which I'm sure you already know that since it's your business. Number 6, this is just a super cute videos, and I love watching these. It's like my little addiction, and it's watching pack with me's, dependent on whether you have a business that actually sells physical goods as opposed to digital or a service. So you sell makeup or clothes or ceramic or anything like that, you can just film a video, put your camera on a tripod, put your phone on a tripod, and just film a video of you packing your little products. Bonus points if you include like little stickers, cute wrapping paper, a little postcard. People just love to see good customer service, and they're more willing to buy from someone who does have good customer service. Number 7 is hopping onto anything that is trending. And now I know this one sounds a little bit overwhelming, but we've actually taken out all the effort from this. If you go over on Picsart's Instagram, we actually have this series where we break down all the trends within TikToks and Reels that you can follow, and we explain how you can use this in your small business. So basically all the effort is taken out from you. All you have to do is film the video in of itself. We've got the audio name, we've got everything ready, so you can just go ahead and hop onto any trend that you feel is relevant or that you can apply to your small business. Number 8 is giveaways. I think giveaways are probably the easiest way to get engagement. Super super simple to do. You can just post a photo or you can just shoot a small brief video, and then make sure that when you're including this, make sure that when you're posting this, you include in your caption or on screen 3 things. Number 1, for people to enter this giveaway, they need to follow you. Number 2, they need to like and save a post. And number 3, they need to tag people. This is obviously going to increase the engagement on your post, but it's also going to maximize the visibility of your post with other people, with all the tagging going on. And the more engagement that you have, it's going to be pushed onto explore pages, for you pages, so more people are going to be involved. And then in the end, you just have to randomly go ahead and choose a winner and send them a PR package. Number 9 is going to be whatever your business is. Say you have a service or you sell a product, you're going to be explaining a little bit about it. So for example, if you have a fashion brand that focuses on reselling Y2K vintage clothes, you can do a video of you talking, you can do a slideshow if you don't want to be in front of a camera, and just basically explain, like for example, different aesthetics, different trends within the product that you sell. This is going to be great because it's going to push your account to people who are looking to learn more about the subject matter of the things that you sell without it necessarily seeming like an ad. So if they go ahead on your page and want to look for more information, they see that you're actually offering the service that they're already interested in. And number 10, I just personally love this trend, and I think it's super cute, especially if you're starting a new social media page or if you're just selling mostly digital products but also physical products. Is this trend where people wrap up their phones in little bows and they go over on the Instagram page or the TikTok page and they film a video of it, of you unwrapping the page, and then they put text on it. This would just be a really cute way to get people to follow you, especially to cross promote your channel. So on TikTok you can promote your Instagram, and on Instagram you can promote your TikTok. I really hope that these ideas have been useful for you, and if you do try them out, make sure to tag us over on your Instagram or TikTok page at Picsart. Having said that, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next week. Bye!